Make a great choice today with the 2024 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, hill descent control, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, trailering package, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.